Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute on cryptocurrency. So let's ready. 30 seconds. Start. The first type of cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which to this day remains the most used, valuable, and popular stock. Along with Bitcoin, other alternative cryptocurrencies with varying degrees of functions and specifications have been created. Stop. Some are iterations of Bitcoin, while others have been created from the ground up. Stop. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by an individual or group known by the pseudonym Stop. As of March 2021, there were over 18.6 million Bitcoins in circulation with a total market cap of around 927 billion. Stop. The competing cryptocurrencies that were created as a result of Bitcoin's success are known as altcoin. Stop. Passage. Today, the aggregate value of all the cryptocurrencies in existence is around 1.5 trillion. Bitcoin currently represents more than 60% of the total value stock. Central to the appeal and functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology, which is used to keep an online ledger of all the transactions that have ever been conducted, thus providing a data structure for this ledger that is quite secure and is shared and agreed upon by the entire network of an individual node or computer. Maintaining a copy of the ledger. Stop. Passage. A cryptocurrency is a virtual or digital currency that is highly secured by cryptography or encryption techniques, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit such cryptocurrency stock. These cryptocurrencies are designed to work as a medium of exchange. Stock. Cryptocurrencies are generally not issued by the government agency of any country. Stop. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency networks shields it from any control of government regulatory bodies on it. Stop. Bitcoin is the first type of cryptocurrency that presently remains the most used, valuable, and popular stock. After Bitcoin, many other alternative cryptocurrencies with varying degrees of functions and specifications have been created. Stop. Bitcoin, which is the most popular cryptocurrency, was launched in 2009 by an individual or group known by the pseudonym Stop. In the month of April 2021, the price of Bitcoin crossed 63,000. Stop. It can help save money and time for both the remitter and the receiver as it is conducted entirely on the internet. Stop. Cryptocurrency runs on a mechanism that involves very less transaction fees, which makes it a cheaper alternative compared to other online transactions. Stop. As the payments are encrypted, they are safe and secured and offer an unprecedented level of anonymity. Stop. As there is no regulation over cryptocurrencies, it is a possibility that cryptocurrency may be used for illegal activities such as money laundering, tax evasion, and possibly even terror financing. Stop. Another disadvantage of cryptocurrencies is that they are not accepted everywhere. Stop. Passage. Since the inception of most popular cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin, in the year 2008, cryptocurrencies have gained much significance all around the world, including India. Stop. Now, Government of India has framed a rule for transactions and acceptance of cryptocurrencies and marked India's first step towards entering the new phase of digital revolution. Stop over.